We're heading off-road into the Victorian High Country. Some serious four-wheel drive challenges ahead on mountains that seem almost vertical. In this episode of Travelers, hello, I'm Grainger.
Steep ascents and descents. River crossings, chirpy characters, riverside tranquility. Plus, take a sky-high ride on Melbourne's new icon. And more of our outback safari, from flooded Lake Eyre to the mysterious Maori man.
We're going exploring. We're getting off the bitumen roads, getting onto tracks and trails up in the Victorian High Country, the Victorian Alps.
Listen!
Steep ascents, steep descents. True mountain territory that one would not normally ever explore in a two-wheel drive vehicle. That's why we're taking this superb big four-wheel driver for an adventure. Here's our vehicle of choice, an Earthcruiser from Iveco up in Newcastle. Massive, massive bar there that'd knock out a woolly mammoth. Stairs, elevated roof brings us into our camper. Come on board and let's look inside. Big, beautiful double bed at the back there, aircon if you do need it. All the modern kitchen facilities, the best of facilities. Stove here, big fridge, plenty of cupboard space, and of course all these facilities duplicated downstairs. This is just luxury, luxury camping, luxury cruising. How is this? How is this? We're in mid-October, and the snow is just pelting down. Right up on a ridge here, hardly see a thing. Beautiful. Look at this, very daunting, extremely daunting. Looks like a sheer drop off here. Of course it isn't, but that's a pretty steep angle we've got to go down. So to prepare for that, we need to be engaging the lowest components of gears. We're in a four-wheel drive over here as well, and we're going to head down here in first. Seems like we're in some sort of theme park here as we drop almost vertically, inching our way downwards, this big 2-kilometre drop. Your heart's in your mouth when you do this, I tell you, because you never quite know how it's all going to work out. One hell of an experience though, I tell you. Inch by inch as we do this big drop. Okay, our first river crossing, and it's got a good flow. In we go. Now we've got a tree right across us in front here. We're in the lowest combination of gears, but up in second, and into the water we go. No traffic coming left or right. And over these rocks we go, step by step. into the deepest part of the river now. Not too much power. Just letting the Iveco tread step by step as we emerge from the other side. I'm going to change down. We've got quite a slope to get up here, back into first for that, and off we go. Now that's quite a climb. Bravo! Good feeling. How good is this? Down by the river, bit of a swim later, Earthcruiser in full camping mode, and a beautiful barbecued lunch. Well, this day has started off pleasantly enough. The crossing of the Wangangara River right from the start. So this is the river. This is the road that follows the river, and this road at this very point has started to break away. Big drop off here. Very, very narrow crossing here.
Come straight, come straight.
We've had to come this close to the rock.
Straight ahead, straight ahead.
And then, as we've followed the edge of this drop-off, we've come that close.
Keep coming down. Clear of it now.
That has been a truly nerve-wracking experience. But anyway, we're through. Righto, fire's burning, building up some good ashes there. Roast a full leg of lamb going in here, getting ready to put on, and of course some baked potatoes to enjoy with the roast. So in they go, nice and deep into the fire. Should take an hour or so to cook that. An enjoyable dinner beside this beautiful river in this superb setting. Well, now for a real four-wheel drive challenge, we're going to head right up to the top of this mountain here. This is Billy Goats Bluff, and it's called that because just about the only creature that can normally make it to the top here are billy goats. To get there in our four-wheel drive, we're going to do this. We're going to go into lower gears, very lowest we can, for what will be a real challenge as we make our way up Billy Goats Bluff.